That name again was a D0023 live. Was
Yeah,
that it?
that's it.
So it's the same driver. Okay. Okay, guys, like Neil and Hardik. So luckily, the driver's in here already. I'm gonna put it on the ODBC on the computer. I don't know if that translates over to Excel, but we'll find out.
Actually, last time I told you that driver, I tried to install the ODBC driver, but unfortunately, the I think correct driver was not find out, so that's why I was confused at this point. Okay.
Oh, did I close? I did not close it. 32-bit, 32-bit, and settings. Can we can we close Excel and reopen it? I want to open it as an admin.
Sure.
All right, so let's close out of these things and then I'll open it up. Just need to use my account. Do you need to save anything here?
No, you don't need to save any of this.
No. All right. Not this as well.
Yeah, you can close them.
Okay, can you open that up again, I guess, whatever that is? Well, open it from within Excel, though. Yeah, specifically from what I just opened.
Let me close this report too.
Yeah. Yeah, you can close it, close that box. Oh, what the heck? Let me try again. Excel. Why did it do that? Let's see. Okay, so we'll just have you sign in. You can put your email address there. Why is this happening? Let me see something here. Just want to see you are. Come on, yeah, you are logged in. Really? Oh, next, come on. You click on it. Can you see if you can click next there? It's not responding for me.
Yeah, I think it's because the Teams was up.
Right. Okay. Done. Okay. Okay, perfect. Sign me in. Okay, so now we would search for that report. If you could search and go to that report and open it.
Well, that's the thing. It's on the file server. So
Okay.
now I can't. Now I don't have access to that from here.
You don't have. Why is it not? It's not showing your map drives. Yeah. Can you, I guess maybe for the moment, just maybe copy that report to your desktop, and then we'll do it that way?
Sure.
Because I need to be in the application as an admin to be able to do this. It's a little bit convenient, but.
There we go.
Yeah, let's see where we are here. This PC users Max desktop. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, right. All right. If you could bring up that connection box like you did last time.
It's grayed out, this refresh option.
And let's activate. Oh my God, this is causing such a headache. The thing is, we need to be admins to do this, but then Microsoft now with their software is forcing the person to log in, and I don't have a license or software license attached to an admin login. So Microsoft is
gotcha.
not making this easy.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Okay. Guys, we might have to log in as an admin. Hey, let me try this one more time. Let's see. If you can open the report that you normally would off the server right now. And Neil, are you aware? I mean, have we always needed admin privileges for certain applications like this?
I don't think so. There is an because we are running application with admin consent. So, but application is still installed on local computer and should be working with current license assigned to current user.
Yeah, and the user should be able to do something like this within Excel. We have it locked down for some reason. I'm not sure why. All right, so all you did for this data source to pop up was for you to refresh a particular cell, right?
Yeah, and then it would be right here in this list.
Okay, so okay, we might have to do this as admin. This is see. Let me look there for a second. Let me see. When you first set this up on your other computer, who helped you guys set this up? Was there someone like Kieran, or you remember?
I think Leslie had helped me do it. It was a while ago now, but I think it was
Yeah.
Leslie.
Resources. ABC. Advanced. There we go. All right, so the database name. Um, uh, so, advanced back. Okay. Server database. VM. Oh, I need to put the credentials down. That's yeah. It's not taking me back to. Okay. Okay. All right. Am I blind? I thought a credential screen came up before. Let's see. Traveler database. IP. Okay. Sixty-four bits. 64. It should be prompting for credentials though. Why isn't that doing that? Oh, we'll open Excel again. Crash. Oh, sorry. The first time I did this, was there not a prompt for a password or something, or did I?
Yeah, no, there was.
There
It
was.
was
So
like
why is it not
some kind of
coming up?
system password.
All right, so then we're gonna do this. We're gonna close out again and go back in because I need to be able to have that prompt. I'm not sure why it would have come up after the fact. If you could open that same file from the server. Is this the file right here?
Yeah, right there. You think maybe this is something that only Leslie or Huron would have the permissions for?
It's possible that they might be the only ones that know how to do this. We might need them to show us. Because connected people like with crystal reports, it's similar but a little different. You're using Excel now. I don't know why this wouldn't be populated now, for credentials. I did see it the first time, and now it just continues to try to connect without the opportunity to sort of settings. Okay. Credentials, there we go. There we go.
Oh, it's yours. It's yours. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. Names. Okay, password. Save. Okay. Automate. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's automate. What? Okay, that's right. IBM. Yeah, I think the best thing to do is to ask them.
Okay.
And when they help you, like we could jump on, just to kind of record this and have this for future reference. But because this is very typical to only a few people, and normally the people that kind of using Excel, know what information that needs to be put in there. And I'm unsure because, we don't use Excel to the level that you're using it. I know the database name, I know, the password, and all that. But I don't know what the difference is like on this little box here, right? Compared to getting the data sources here, or if there is a difference, because I set up the ODBC right here, or I mean, the IBM DB2, but it's still not connecting. And I know for a fact that that's the right password. So I'm not
There's just
sure
some kind of
exactly.
permission issue or something that prevents it.
Yeah. I mean, maybe, but we could easily take 2 or 3 hours trying to fix this and not fix it, and then it might
Yeah, I
take
get
Leslie
you.
or even like 5 minutes because
Yeah,
they've done
no, I
it
understand.
before. So yeah, if you want to set something up, and you can like add myself or or anyone on this call, and we could like do it with them and you, or we can set it up and reach out to them, whatever. I don't know, whatever's quicker. If you can walk over to them at the desk, or or if it's
Yeah,
that
no.
easy, if they set it up for you and then you show me, just so we can,
Yeah, I'll probably
get
put
those around
together,
face.
I'll check their availability and I'll probably put together a call and then invite Hardik and you to this.
Yeah. Do that, and we'll figure it out. I'm sure they know. For me, whenever I've set this up, it was for people like in Crystal Reports, and it was a similar thing where you have to connect to the database, username, password, the data source, and as long as the right IBM database DB2 drivers were there, then everything was fine. But SQL's a little different here. Yeah. So yeah, if you could do that, I'd appreciate it, and then we'll figure that out.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you very much.
And thanks for your time, guys.
All right. Take care. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.